Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to FC26 Companion app. In the beginning, to use FC26 Companion app, make sure you had FC25 Ultimate Team Companion app. Once you've had it, go to ea.com games EA Sports FC Ultimate Team Web app. Now select FC Web Companion app. Login using the login button and it's done. Then you'll be able to manage your ultimate team in FC26. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.